How's it going, guys? Today I'll be showing you guys how to change the spark plugs on a 2004 Acura TSX. So for the tools that you're gonna need a ratchet. This is a quarter, but you're gonna need for that, in order for this tool to fit, you're gonna need this to be a 1/4 inch conversion to 3/8 so that it can fit in, and then a magnetic deep socket is a 5/8. Get it to focus here. And then, your generic spark plugs of your choice. You'll also be requiring a 10mm for these 4 bolts on the top. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now once these screws are off, you go ahead and unscrew them. I had pre-unscrewed them just for time purposes. And then this cover here should just pop right off. And here are your spark plugs. These are your coils. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So for me today, I am gonna just be temporarily, or not temporarily, I'm gonna be changing the 3rd spark plug due to the fact that I'm getting a P0303 code. And hopefully, we're gonna hope that it's just the spark plugs. Otherwise, we're gonna go pick up a new coil. Before we actually begin to remove the coil and the spark plug, we have to remove this small 10mm that's right here, and also make sure to disconnect this. Never want to have the power connected while you're messing or fixing anything. Just in case for any of you that may not know, this actually has a little clip on the side. The other side doesn't. Usually, depending on your vehicle, it might have clips on either side, but this one has this one singular clip. So you press that, pull, it's going to be on there pretty snug and tight. I mean, these usually obviously never get changed as often, so they're going to have a tight seal. You're going to go ahead and take out your screw, and these should generally just kind of wiggle out and off. There you go. And then at this point in time, you're going to want to inspect it for any damages, cracks. See, this one's a little messed up right there. This is an old car. I got it at 120 something thousand miles with the K24 K20A2. Possibly thinking of supercharging it or swapping it into my RSX. Let's go check out the spark plug. Let's pull it out and show you guys how it is. So as you guys can see, the old spark plug versus the new one. Let's go ahead and put it in and see the results. When it comes to putting these in, just slowly put them in. I wouldn't use the ratchet just yet. Just slowly make sure it fits properly. Slightly hand tighten, make sure that it's screwing on correctly. I'll get back with you guys. From here, now we insert the coil, press down, make sure you align these little 2 holes. Yes, put your screw back in. Don't fully screw it in all the way, just so that we can double check and make sure, everything is functioning properly. Connect your clip back. A little bit of a tight space here. There you go. Make sure everything's good. And let's go start the vehicle and see how it runs. All right, now let's go ahead and start it. Like I said, it was giving a P0303. Check engine flashlight code. See hopefully if it's fixed. Nope, unfortunately, I am still having some issues. So I'm assuming that it will be that coil. Now that we have fully changed the spark plug, it should be the coil. As you guys can see, it was my ignition coil for cylinder 3 that had gone bad. And now it's running perfectly fine.